What's going on, you guys? We are back with another episode of Conversations with Mike, and y'all already know the deal. We're gonna get straight into it. Okay, so before we actually jump straight into it, I have an announcement. So starting today, I will be releasing videos every week. When I first started my channel, I actually had a lot going on, so it wasn't much that I could do, but we on the road now. Okay, now on to the lesson. So today, something short, not too long. I just wanted you guys to know that you have the key, and that key is Jesus Christ. Listen, once you actually learn about Jesus Christ, you now have the cure for absolutely everything. But once you get that cure, it's not for you to just keep to yourself. The Lord wants to use you to reach the people you know and even people you don't know. God chose you for a reason, and He makes no mistakes. He wants you to reach souls for the kingdom. But you have to take that step and actually live for Christ, because once you live for Christ, you will become an example. And that's important because some of the people that mean the most to us are either dying or going through something and they have no answer or no cure. And we know the biggest problem is they just not living their life right. But you have the key to unlock the door to a new and better life for them. And like I said before, that key is Jesus Christ. So we can't just lounge around like it's not a big deal that the Lord is calling on us, because time is running out. And another thing is, some of you that might actually be trying to help your family members and your friends out by telling them about God, but they don't want to listen to you. And the biggest problem is because you're trying to tell them about God and how to live for God, but you don't live for God yourself. You may go to church every Sunday or go to church twice a week or 3 times a week, but you aren't actually living anything. You may be going to church or actually even know better, but you're still doing some of the same things that they're doing. Some of us even get mad at others for not following the advice that we give them. But don't stress about somebody else's journey. Just worry about your journey. God called you to be an example, not a babysitter. But first, live out what you preach, and then you can preach to others. Some of them might even come to you. But after that, just continue to be an example and pray for others. And just so you know, all of them might not come around, but a few will. Jesus Christ can save anyone from anything. But the truth of the matter is, if you want to be free, in the book of John, chapter 8, verse 31 through 32, it says, Jesus said to the people who believed in Him, "You are truly my disciples if you remain faithful to my teachings, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." So that's it for today, guys. It's your boy Mike, and until next time, God bless each and every one of you.